How to disable system font in the Encode application. If you have been using the Encode app and wondering on how to customize the fonts onto this app and disable the system font, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the settings option at the top right here. Select it. Then here you can find system font size right here onto the general option. Now to disable it, simply tap onto this button right here. Select it. And now you can see it is now disabled. Now you can simply customize the font size using the slider right here. Now simply slide it left or right according to your preference. And that's it. This is how you can disable the system font. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.